Good afternoon everyone. My name is Bhupinder Singh and I am an art teacher at Lotus Petal Foundation. Today I will teach you how to make this tip pen or a feather pen. As you know that ancient time people use feather pen for writing. So today I will teach you this. So let's start. For this feather pen we need one colorful paper, one scissor, Fevicol and one refill of a pen. You can take it out from your ordinary pen. So let's start. First we need to cut the feather. So just fold this paper like this and draw a feather shape, and then you can cut it easily. So start from here, go like this down and then like this. Now we have to cut this, so use scissor, but be careful when you are using scissor. You can take help of your parents. Cut it nicely and clean like this. When you're done, as you can see, the shape is ready. Now we have to make some cuts from this point to this point. So let's start. Just make rose cuts like this. Just leave around 1 centimeter space over here. Don't cut it full. Like this you can cut it easily, but be careful because scissor is very sharp. Cut it to the end. Like this. When you're done, you can open it and you can see our feather is ready. Now we have to make one grip like this, where so you can easily hold your pen. So for that we need to cut one more strip like this, around 2 centimeter. Cut this grip. You can choose any other color if you want, as I use pink, but if you don't want, you just use the same strip. Apply some Fevicol over here on the strip and just spread it nicely. Now you can paste it on the top part of this refill like this. Just paste it very nicely like this. You can see now grip is ready. You can easily hold your pen. Now we have to stick this over here, so we need to apply some Fevicol on this center line like this. Just spread it nicely, and now we can paste it this over here. Just take this flap and paste it around the refill like this. And now we need one more stick to paste it over here, so it will get a little bit hard. So you can just cut one strip from this paper and make a stick from this paper. Just cut it like this. And now, you can just make one stick, just go it over like this. Apply some Fevicol, cut the extra part, and now you can stick this over here so it will get a heart shape. And now you can cover this with a strip of paper so it will look nice. Cut one more strip from this paper sheet, and now you can paste it over here. So just apply some Fevicol on this strip, spread it very nicely, and now you can paste it from this point to the end like this. Now you can see your pen is almost ready. Cut the extra tip, and your feather pen is ready to use. You can use this grip to hold your pen, and you can write anything. It's very useful device, and it's very easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try it yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you.